All right, yesterday, man, we took the car out, took the Grand National out, and we dialed it in.
From humble beginning, the most I rise. Hail King Selassie and burn them likewise. Now bow to them system when I promote life. I love conquer all to survive. The awesome side, the lion of King Judah's tribe. And hail the king of Ethiopian pride.
Everything was good for a minute. You know what I mean? Rolled around good. Got in the boost. That turbo sound is amazing. But one of the issues I had was when I got it back last night and I took it back out. I don't know if the ECM or you're still learning the chip or whatever, but the car kept cutting off. No reason. You know what I mean? Just kept cutting off. And what I would do, I just disconnect the battery cable, let the chip reset, and the car fired right back up. So I need to troubleshoot that. But the issue now is the car. It makes more. It does more since I followed the instructions in the turbo tweak chip. It does more performance than I initially thought it did. So I was really gung ho about doing a swap. I'm still kind of thinking about doing a swap. It just depends because I'm getting a little bit of slip in the transmission. A few things. So it's like, do I really want to put more motor money into this V6, or do I just want to go ahead and just swap it and have a extremely reliable car? Because the thing is, I don't want to swap it out. Well, I don't want to put more money into the 6 and it still gives me problems. I don't want to have to tune it every time I take it out. I want to be able to hop in the car, hit the block, hit the car shows, you know what I'm saying, just make it do what it do. Because I mean, it's a beautiful car, and I haven't even got the paint yet. You know what I'm saying? I really could buff that off. It wasn't really for the engine. I mean, the hood being screwed up, I would do just that. But yeah, so we're gonna figure out. I got some videos of some POV videos. Driving the car, you hit the turbo spool up, and then I don't know, man. What you think? Let me know. Should I LS swap it, or should I stick with the original mode that's in it? Because the original mode that's in it, I love it. I love it. amazing. So like I said, I'm loving this motor. I just like how it looks, what it represents. But in today's standards, power wise, it's just, to me, it's not adequate. But I don't know if I want to go in it and put a cam in it or what. So that's where I'm at with it now. Do I want to put my money in there? Because I wouldn't mind doing the cam, right? Or doing whatever I need to do to the motor if I was 100% sure I wouldn't have no issues with the motor. The LS is just a more reliable motor than this. This is a 37-year-old motor, so of course it's severely outdated. This car is almost as old as me. I'm 10 years older than this car, and I'm 47. So we're gonna see, man. I'm gonna fire it up with you guys. Hear that. Love how it sounds, man. Video for the day. Car going back into hibernation, and we're gonna feel what we're gonna do next, man. Like I said, trying to figure out what I want to do. It's just a thought process. I'm just afraid that this is gonna be a never-ending, money pit. You know what I'm saying? Because when I'm on the forums, the Grand National forums, like, everybody's always spending money on their cars. When you got them modified, when they're not modified, you just want to cruise around town every day. That's cool. But I know me. Somebody gonna pull up, you know what I'm saying? And they're because it's a Grand National. But the history of the car is outdated. Shoot, for real. Cars now. You can get a Kia comes with more horsepower than they came with back when they was introduced. You know what I mean? So it's just what it is, man. But like I said, that's it for the day. Get back to it. See what the next move is. Call up Georgia Speed Performance. See what they can do with me, and we'll go from there.